LA County Arboretum. Today we're talking about the peacocks that live here. A lot of people assume that we take care of the peacocks or that we are a wildlife sanctuary of some sort, but the peacocks have been here longer than the Arboretum has been here. So in the past, the county has taken a count of the peacocks that live in the area. It was about 100 within the Arboretum consistently and about 1,000 in Arcadia. That was maybe about 5 years ago now, but we've been seeing in the past couple years it declining within the Arboretum, and we're seeing a lot more nesting within the neighborhoods of Arcadia, as well as we're thinking people are feeding the peacocks in the neighborhoods. It's a lot more dangerous in the neighborhoods with the cars, and they're much more safe here within the Arboretum, but as they are not a native species, they have no protections. So don't feed the peacocks and just come here and enjoy them.